If you have a Bluetooth keyboard which you want to use on your MacBook laptop or your Mac computer, but you don't know how to connect it, then this video is for you, so just follow my steps. But before we start with the video, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing because it would really help me out. So I have my Bluetooth keyboard right here. Let's connect it real quickly. The first step is to make sure that your keyboard is turned on or enabled. And I have this little switch at the back of my keyboard, which I'm going to set to on. And once the Bluetooth keyboard is on, then we'll hop over to our Mac, and then I'll open the control center. Then Bluetooth, and first enable the Bluetooth on the computer. It will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices, so just find the name of your keyboard. In this case, mine is called Trust, so I'll tap on it, wait a second or two until the keyboard has the blue icon on my Mac, which means that it's connected. Once we do these steps, we'll successfully pair our Bluetooth keyboard and we can start typing right away. If you need more similar MacBook and other tutorial videos like this one, then check out my channel, and I will see you in the next video.